Omundi Ramogi TV.
Joten migepe Musalia Mudavadi ko Uganda jo Kenya mondo mi obed kod horruok ko wacho ni joten piny Kenya William Ruto ntiere kod chenro makare mar bero ngima jo Kenya kendo obiro bero ochumi ma pachoka. Mudavadi wacho ni piny Kenya oketo maine bero winjruok mare kinde gi pinje maoko kaka yor tego siep mar ohala mondo mi ochiw thuolo mar tero mwandu ma pachoka e pinje maoko. Nowuok kanisa mar Anglican mar St. Michael and All Angels Cathedral mantiere Bondo County Masiaya nyasi mano yuore hello jaten piny Kenya William Ruto.
God our life, so we depend upon God.
Planted by the waterside, as our Savior taught us, so we are bold to pray.
Agenda yetu, agenda ya Kenya kwanza. As much as it may have the challenges, our agenda is to revive the economy. Mimi nikisema niseme hapa ati nitoe hesabu ya yale tuliona, ya yale tulipata wakati tulichukua serikali, mutashangaa. But that shall be for another day. Because the debt levels, the debt margin, shida ambayo tulipata, shimo ambayo iko pale, I can tell you it is a very serious matter. Na tutoka kwa shimo, we must stop digging. And to stop digging, we will have to go through some difficulty because we have to stop digging and be able to revive the economy. And I appreciate the young people who are speaking. It's a tight moment. It's a difficult moment. It's a difficult moment, no doubt about it. But I can assure you that we shall not abandon the good cause and we shall not deviate from focusing on what is required.